Have you had enough of packaging problems, product failures, unreliable supply, escalating costs? Our promise is to respond promptly and resolve effectively so you can rely unconditionally on what we do. For us, it is not a problem.
When we identify your problems, we are committed to resolve them. We understand the issues that product failures cause in your packaging process. Do you want to eliminate stretch film breakages? For us, it's not a problem. The Omni Perform-X film is the world's first unbreakable reinforced stretch wrap. This revolutionising stretch film is truly the solution for all your film breakages.
We realise the problems that stock outages and unreliable supply can cause you. Do you want to never run out of stock again? With our nationwide distribution centres and express delivery service, you can rely on us. Our consignment stock program is the solution to your stock outages. You'll always have enough packaging on hand without tying up your cash.
We're educating the industry about some misconceptions with stretch films and the cost of wrapping your pallets. Do you want to halve your stretch film usage? For us, it's not a problem. Through innovation, we have created the most efficient, effective and sustainable pallet wrapping solution. We save our clients tons of stretch film waste per year by using the award-winning Omni pallet wrapping solution. Many believe that buying a pallet wrapper is a luxury purchase. The reality is that via savings with stretch film usage, with waste reduction and pallet wrapping time, it pays for itself.
Would you like a pallet wrapper for free? For us, it's not a problem. To avoid the capital outlay of purchasing a machine, we offer a variety of other options to further add to the financial benefit of the Omni pallet wrapping solution.
Omni Group has brought together decades of experience and knowledge within the packaging industry. Omni Group was first formed in the merge of the three leading packaging companies, AAA Packaging Supplies, System Pack Australia and Securapack Solutions. With our local and international manufacturing facilities, customised packaging solutions is certainly our specialty. We have a strong culture of care for our clients, environment and society, donating at least 10% of our profits every year.
Innovation has been the key to our success. Omni, with over 25 years in the industry, has the most efficient, effective and reliable end-of-line packaging solution. So if you're looking for a perfect packaging solution, at Omni, it's not a problem.